Welcome back to our channel. If you are in the business of creating a warm and inviting atmosphere with your Kindle store, you are in the right place because in today's video, we are diving into the 5 essential Shopify apps for Kindle stores that will illuminate your path to success. So let's begin. If you are new here in Shopify, you might want to click on Start Free Trial to create your account. But if you already done so, log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you need to go to the left panel of your dashboard and click on Apps. And from here, the first app that we're going to explore is called Pagefly Page Builder. Now, here, you can simply create and design your own store in just a few minutes because when you explore templates, you can impress all of your shoppers. Then you should definitely consider installing Pagefly in your Shopify store. Now, this app allows you to make stunning and fast-loading storefronts per individual requirements. And from here, you can also create SEO-friendly pages without slowing down your store, and flexible drag-and-drop editor combines with advanced lead gen element library. It also have an responsive for mobile tablet display, and you can customize every screen size individually. When you ever use the drag and drop page builder and add various elements to your site, that means you can explore and see how this Shopify store succeed with a Pagefly. Now from here, if you are more interested about the Pagefly page builder, all you're gonna do is go to the Shopify App Store. It is basically free to install, but the thing is, when you hover down below, additional charges may apply, but you can have the option to have a responsive for mobile, create SEO-friendly pages without slowing down your store in an instant. Okay, so the next app that we have is called Fera Product Reviews. Is essential for any Kindle store because it allows you to collect, manage, and display all types of reviews in just few clicks. Right? When you click on View Features right here, you can discover the ways to manage your reviews with an easy-to-use dashboard. You can import from Facebook, Google, and receive and moderate new submissions and reply to reviews and touch-up content. Now, when you click on the browse management features, from here you can show reviews beautifully. You have a great looking product and store review widgets and a customer photo and video gallery widgets, plus an SEO optimized to show in Google search results. Now, Fera Product Reviews is, I believe, one of the best in terms of product reviews, and they boast a 5,000 reviews in Google alone. If you are interested to know more about Fera, what you need to do in your Shopify App Store is simply click to install. And again, you can import and sync product reviews from Amazon, Etsy, AliExpress, and Google. You can customize your product reviews and more. And in terms of the pricing, it's very competitive and honest. You can have the 14-day free trial, which you can cancel anytime. Now, for startup plan, that's going to be $9 per month. And again, you have all this perks and benefits that you can take advantage. But I would suggest you take the small enterprise package because from here, you can have 1,000 order review requests sent per month. You can have a custom email domains, product groups, and intermediate widget customization. And again, the 5,000 reviews are here to help you make an informed decision. Hextem Free Shipping Bar is one of Shopify's partner, and from here you can easily set up a beautiful looking banner and notify all your visitors about the offer. There are even a few modifications that this app can offer to have a personalized user experience. Now, you have an apps for Shopify. When you click on it, there's a lot that you can choose from, or click on the apps for BigCommerce if you have a different platform. And as you can see, just get this app and contact partner. Now, these are the reasons why opt to Hextem. They have 13 apps, 270k merchants, 4.9 star rating, and 29,000 reviews to help you make an informed decision. Now, Hextum free shipping bar can display messages with progressive shipping goals and boost sales. And from here, you can track performance and see which shipping bar generates the most sales. It has a simple installation and setup procedure with no development required. And again, the free shipping boost sales here displays messages, goals, and auto detect visitors' local currencies and convert their free shipping amount, as you can see it from here, right? So again, they have the basic plan, which is free, and the premium plan, which is gonna be around $9 per month. But again, you take advantage of the geo country targeting, auto currency conversion, bar background images, and auto scheduling performance tracking. And if you're interested, all you're gonna do is click on install here in your Shopify app store. Now, the next app that we are going to explore is called SearchPy SEO Booster. All right. Now, again, this tool assesses a website's SEO performance by analyzing factors such as keyword usage, meta tags, sitemap, headings, AMP, and more. It offers an actionable insights to enhance search engine rankings and drive organic traffic to your Shopify store. And all I gotta do is put your store here and scan and unlock more features. Now, they offer a full SEO report. They also have a 24/7 real-time support. Now, basically, if you think about it, it's free to install, but additional fees may apply for advanced customization request and paid plan for $39 a month. But it's easy to install. It's quick and easy to start with no code, and you can customize SEO elements as you go. Now, if you're interested, you might want to start your journey by clicking the button here. And from there, you have, if you decided to log in to install and click this to your app, you have an access to SEO Manager, SEO and Traffic Booster. You have like a rich snippet, Speed Optimizer, Website Credibility Protector, and an SEO Content Generator. And again, they have a free plan, but if I were you, I'm gonna take the premium $39 per month, wherein you can have an access to an AI Content Generator, SEO tags and URLs, autopilot Google Search Console, which is very important to utilize your rankings, and a keyword research assistance. And the 3,000 plus reviews are here to help you make an informed decision. The next app that your Kindle store needs is an app called Outfee, because here you can create better hashtags and expose them to a wider audience, announce a sale by using some interactive templates and elements such as this one. You can post automatically to all of your social media followers, and when you click on pricing, it's basically free forever. And from there, you can have an instant product posting, scheduled product posting, and essential functionalities. But if I were you, I'm gonna take the starter pack, everything on free forever, plus live support, auto product posts, manual post collages, and GIFs right here. But again, right now, one of my partners are using the Popular Pro plan for his Outfee app. Now he has an access to all these plus more, and there's a 7-day free trial wherein you can cancel anytime. But again, the free forever plan is something that you can start to test waters, and if you are not ready to commit to these apps, now you might want to go here in Outfee and log in to install. And once you have done that, you would be able to see all the raving 1,000 reviews for you to take into consideration when choosing the apps for you. Now, whether you're someone that's just starting with Kindle production or you already have a fully established business, the above mentioned apps can definitely help you grow and establish your brand forever. And again, what I suggest for you to take advantage is go to their specific sites, websites, and check the reviews. In that sense, it can help you make an informed decision because each of them have individual characteristics and benefits that you can take advantage, and be sure to go with the ones that are most suitable to your requirements, budget, and goals. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.